Alright guys, I got an interesting one for you. 2011 Nissan Rogue 2.5. Customer complaint is the car having the issue with starting. So let's put the keys in the ignition and then we try it. You hear that click? Hope the audio will pick it. So definitely customer provided the part, and for sure it's the starter motor making the noise. So what we'll do right now, let's go under the vehicle. I'll show you what I did find. So safety first, car is jacked up, secured on jack stand. So let's screw under the vehicle. You can see we got a bolt right here, and then we got another bolt missing right there. So you see that movement? That's our problem right there. So all we gotta do is look for another bolt. So what I'll do is I'll disconnect the battery, take off this bolt, call the dealership. They don't have one, it's a special order. Call the junkyards. They're also saying they don't have this vehicle. So what we'll do, we'll take this bolt, go with it to the hardware, look for the same thread pitch and length, and then we'll come and see if it can work. All right guys, so we pulled up at the junkyard. Alright guys, so just came back from the junkyard. We got the two bolts, so let's install them and then we go from there. Alright guys, so we tightened the two bolts from the junkyard. You can see one here and one there. The starter is solid now. I just hope the flex plate gears are intact. So right now we'll just connect the battery and then try the vehicle. Moment of truth, keys in the ignition. And we got the vehicle running just like so. So the junkyard has saved the day. I was thinking maybe the flex plate gears are worn out, but definitely they are not. You can see the vehicle is running right now. Let's turn it and then try it one more time. So that's a fix right there.